We all agree breakfast is the best meal of the day and a great way to begin our day. It is important to have breakfast because it gives the long-lasting energy and keeps us feel full for several hours, at least until lunchtime. Best foods to eat in the morning. So what should be a good breakfast? A good breakfast should have fiber, protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and also the much needed micronutrients. So let us look at what you should not have for breakfast. Foods that are high in refined sugar, like sweets, that gives a rapid spike in the sugar levels and then can make you feel tired and lazy for the rest of the day. Try and avoid refined carbohydrates like maida, white bread, buns, bakery products, bagels, foods that are also high in preservatives, additives, coloring agents, added sugars. Various cereals are now being sold as healthy. You need to carefully look out for these in terms of the sugar content and also the unwanted ingredients. Try and avoid eating any oily or fried foods for breakfast because it can be hard on your digestive system and can make you feel bloated and heavy whole day. In terms of having a best breakfast, what are those? Firstly, for people who enjoy or who eat eggs, it's a fantastic breakfast. It's a great source of protein, less calories. So if you want to kind of avoid the gaining too much weight, this is a great choice. It keeps you feel full for longer. It is safe to eat one egg with yolk and you can take multiple egg whites. They do not actually increase your cholesterol levels or there is a risk of heart disease, especially if you're not consuming too many egg yellows every day. People who eat eggs for breakfast can maintain their weight and regulate it better compared to the non-egg eaters. Eggs also have choline, which is one of the important nutrients for our brain health. You can combine eggs with wheat bread, chapati, boiled or sauteed vegetables, and variety of fruits for your breakfast, so you can mix and match. Next one on the list is the oatmeal. Highly nutritious, made from rolled or steel-cut oats. It contains fiber, which is special because this is what we call as beta-glucan. It's a soluble or easily digestible fiber that also helps reduce the cholesterol levels. Oats can keep you feel full for longer, so there is less chance of wanting to snack in between. You can mix oats with variety of fruits, along with nuts like almonds, walnuts, pistachios. Oats are also good source of iron, vitamin B, manganese, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. For people even with gluten allergy or sensitivity, it's a good choice of breakfast. Next is chia seeds. They're excellent source of fiber, highly nutritious. 1 ounce of chia seeds gives you 10 grams of fiber. Chia seeds increase the fullness, so it can keep us feel full for longer, so there is less chance of feeling hungry often. It is packed with protein, antioxidants, and the good fat, what we call as the omega-3 fatty acids. You can add chia seeds regularly for your breakfast. You can just sprinkle on your food. You can put it into the smoothies. So you can kind of do a variety of things with even for kids. You can sprinkle it on the breakfast. The next one is cottage cheese, paneer. For vegetarians, it's a great source of protein. You will get 24 grams of protein in about a cup of paneer, about 200 grams or 200 plus grams of paneer. It is low in calories. Because it's high in protein, it keeps you feel full and reduces the chance of being hungry often. So it's a great breakfast to have. For people who love eating bread, wholemeal toast. So this is not white bread, this is whole wheat brown bread that is high in fiber. It has got complex carbohydrates that does not cause sudden spike in the sugar levels because it is digested slowly and therefore the sugar also gets released in our body slowly. You can add a topping of your choice to the toast, for example, eggs, cottage cheese, paneer, peanut butter, variety of fruits, baked beans. So it's a great filling breakfast to have. Next one is nuts. Almonds or walnuts, try and soak them overnight to reduce the phytic acid content in them so it's a bit more easier to digest. It's a fantastic source of protein and fiber. It's also great for getting in the antioxidants, minerals like magnesium, potassium. Most importantly, they also contain good fats, the heart healthy monosaturated fats. Next one on the list is a bowl of fruit. Natural sugars in fruit are a ready source of energy, so you can get quick energy release. These sugars are released in our body slowly, and fruits also have a good amount of fiber, so they can keep you feel full for longer. The added benefit of having fruits is also they contain various minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins that are essential for various organs in our body. So better to have a mixture of or a variety of fruits so you can mix and match, and also try and enjoy seasonal fruits. In summary, for what is a healthy breakfast? A healthy breakfast is the one which has a good balance of protein, complex carbohydrates, fiber, natural sugars that are in fruits, and that can keep you feel full until lunchtime at least. And this kind of well balanced breakfast kickstarts your day with a positive vibe.